Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer crypto from your Bitget exchange account to your Bitget wallet. If you're looking to move your crypto securely from Bitget exchange to Bitget wallet, I've got you covered. I'll walk you through the steps so you can do it quickly and safely. Now, on your app, click the assets, and then go to spot, and then from there, select the withdraw option. And then after that, what you're going to do is to select the USDT, click on it, and then click on the on-chain withdrawal. So after that, we need the withdrawal address. So what we're going to do is to go to our Bitget wallet. Now to get the address, what you're going to do is click the deposit and select the receive crypto assets, and then select the USDT and then the right network for USDT, and then finally copy the address and paste it on your Bitget Exchange app. Now choose the correct network and then enter the amount and confirm the withdrawal. And then that's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.